Hey guys, I'm back in Whole Foods and they have the persimmons back in stock. I did a post not too long ago about persimmons and how good they are, but the store didn't have it in, so I'm here today and they have some. Everybody should have these in their refrigerators. They are not only high in fiber, they have a lot of vitamin C to them as well. We got to get out of thinking that oranges are the only fruits that have vitamin C. Pretty much any fruit that is the color orange is going to have a high amount of vitamin C, and it's going to help balance your sacral chakra. The taste is very sweet. If you've never had it before, it's kind of like a taste twist between a mango and a papaya. It's kind of hard to describe, but they're good. They're really good, and you know they're ripe when you touch them. So the texture is kind of like a plum. When the plum is hard, it's not really ripe, but when the plum is at the consistency where you can kind of put your finger in it and touch it and it pulls out, that's when you know that the plum is ripe. It's the same with the persimmon. If it's hard, it's a little not ready yet, you need to be able to really put your thumb in it and press back out. But these are good. They make excellent pies. They make excellent juices. You can take your persimmon and put a little bit of coconut juice with it. Mix it with some coconut juice. You can make a pie with it. These are an excellent fruit. Excellent at balancing the sacral chakra and extremely high in vitamin and fiber. So go out to Whole Foods and pick you up some. Okay.